today, but I'm here to announce to you that it's my pleasure that after more than 10 years, British Airways is to return to Pakistan with a new route between Islamabad and London Heathrow, flying from June next year. We have a very long history of flying into your wonderful country, first having operated flights to Islamabad all the way back in 1976. So we're all at British Airways incredibly excited that we'll be returning here from June. We will be launching the route as a 3-per-week service between Islamabad and London, operated by a 3-class Boeing 787 Dreamliner, our newest long-haul aircraft. As you all know, Britain has long-standing links with Pakistan. There are more Pakistanis living in the UK than in the rest of Europe combined, so we are confident that this direct link between our two countries will be very warmly received, both here and of course in the United Kingdom. Our return to Islamabad is largely due to the vastly improved security situation here in Pakistan, and I know that the Pakistani authorities have been working tirelessly to improve regional peace and stability,